Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review today analyzing NeuronWriter, a tool that just arrived on AppSumo They now as a and it claims to use semantic recommendations to boost your SEO and plan high ranking content. This is a surfer SEO alternative and it's a kind of a rare tool, even more rare if you are planning to buy it as a lifetime deal. So it's your last chance to buy this kind of tool as a lifetime deal. And with this quality, they have more than 300 reviews on AppSumo, almost 400 reviews on AppSumo. It's impressive. And what they do, they will, now the Google search to find the best ideas, words, and context that you need to use on your article, on your article while you're writing to rank first on Google. So what kind of topics you need to cover and what kind of words you need to cover to be on the first page of Google when you are writing about some kind of topic. This tool works in more than 170 languages, and they will cover the topics and the context that you need to write first on Google. So it's a content marketing SEO tool with annotations. Those NLP recommendations are kind of expensive, and you'll get it as a lifetime deal. This is a no-brainer. They just arrived as a select, and you can stack up to 5 codes. As you can see here, if you stack more codes, you get a different kind of plan. To get all the features, you need to stack at least 3 codes to be on the gold plan. If you buy more code, platinum or diamond, you're gonna get better limit. As you can see here, with 1 code, it's only 2 projects, and so on, double, only 5 products. If you get 3, then you're gonna get more sharing levels. You're gonna get the GSC integration, Google Search Console integration. You need that to write better, and also plagiarism checkers credits per month. Gonna get the content manager as well. And if you buy more, 4 and 5, you're gonna get more content analysis credits per month, more AI credits. Yes, they work with GPT-3. It will be all in one tool for your copywriting with a really, really in-depth SEO optimization, and you could replace Surfer SEO with NeuronWriter. So let's take a look at the tool. Here is NeuronWriter. I'm gonna log in right now. So here you can see that I already have a project, and to create a new project, just go here. It's creating a new project that you're gonna link your domain to create your articles related to your domain and competitors, and also linking your Google Search Console. So you need a new project every time you need to link a new domain, and you're gonna work with topics related to that domain. Here on right, you can see your monthly limits, the number of plagiarism checks that you still have per month, your projects, the number you have, and when your monthly limit will renew. So after you create your project, linking your domain, just click on it, and you'll go to the dashboard. And then you're gonna see Write, Plan, Manage, Team, Settings, and Google Search Console. The tool starts when you create a new query. So you just go here, New Query, and you're gonna add your keywords. Okay, you're gonna select your search engine, so which kind of Google you're gonna target, and also the language. And then you are gonna create a new query where NeuronWriter will find the best SEO and NLP guidelines. For instance, I created a query here. I already had an article that I have written about that topic. I came here on import, and then I added my domain, my article link, and the tool imported it perfectly like that. And as you can see here, I can still improve that article to be on top 10. I got 17 score, And here are the terms in headers that I can create. As each one, they will give you some of that, and H2 as well. And the words, the terms that you can use in the article. So you can see which kind of topics that you still need to write to rank first on Google. You can see here that when you write about some kind of subject, it will be green. And if you didn't write about that, it will be gray. So your goal here is to write about the whole topic, to cover the whole subject, and the tool is helping you, guiding you to do that with the best terms. You can also find ideas from your competitors, questions to answer, for instance, that they will find on Google, your competitors' topics. You're going to find it here on the right. You're going to find YouTube ideas about that topic. You can see here, just find one of my videos here, YouTube ideas about that topic. You can check for plagiarism anytime you want. Just click here and the plagiarism check will take up to 2 to 5 minutes. They will check the internet to see if your content is new. And you can see here that they found that my text is not unique, but when I check it here, the two sources are mine. So it's my own blog. So my text is unique. I can check it out now. The case is that I already published that article, so that they found my article on the internet. So their plagiarism works well, and you can use it. They also will say the number of characters that would be nice for that type of articles. You can use images, you can create links. When you are ready to export, you'll be able to export the content as doc or as formatted text. So you can just export as formatted text and copy and paste on your WordPress blog. So you also can plan your content. You have also a calendar to plan the articles that you're going to launch during the month. You can invite team members here. Pretty simple. Just click on add user and invite them to that project by adding their domain here. You will be able to add competitors per each project and also keywords. On the Google Search Console feature, you can see your impressions and clicks during the month, the top keywords, the trends, your best URLs, and the CTRs. You'll be able to find your best URLs as well during that month. And you can see if you are having any cannibalization, if one article is just making difficult the other one to rank. So here's NeuronWriter. I think this tool is pretty unique and complete for copywriting and content marketing SEO. It's ready to go Surfer SEO alternative. Unique tool to buy on AppSumo. I would totally recommend that. If you want to get to know more about that deal, just click in the link in the description that you're going to find the best price and also more information about that deal. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.